To apply for a TSB Bank overdraft, follow this step-by-step guide. First, check if you are eligible for an overdraft by reviewing TSB Bank's eligibility criteria, which typically includes being a current account holder, being at least 18 years old, and having a regular income. Next, gather the required documents, which may include proof of identity, proof of address, and proof of income. You can find the exact list of required documents on TSB Bank's website or by visiting a local branch. Now, decide on the type of overdraft you need, which can be either an arranged overdraft or an unarranged overdraft. An arranged overdraft is a pre-agreed limit with TSB Bank, while an unarranged overdraft is when you exceed your account balance without a pre-agreed limit. To apply for an arranged overdraft, log into your TSB Bank online banking or mobile banking app and navigate to the overdraft application section. Fill in the required information, including the amount of overdraft you are applying for and the purpose of the overdraft. You can also apply by phone or in a local branch. Once you have submitted your application, TSB Bank will review your credit history and assess your eligibility for an overdraft. This may involve a credit check, which will leave a mark on your credit file. If your application is approved, TSB Bank will notify you of the overdraft limit and the interest rate applicable to your account. It is essential to carefully review the terms and conditions of your overdraft, including the interest rate, fees, and repayment terms. Make sure you understand how the overdraft works and how it will affect your account balance. Best practice is to only borrow what you need and to repay your overdraft as soon as possible to avoid interest charges. You can set up regular payments or pay off your overdraft in full at any time. It is also crucial to monitor your account balance regularly to avoid exceeding your overdraft limit and incurring additional fees. In summary, applying for a TSB Bank overdraft involves checking your eligibility, gathering required documents, deciding on the type of overdraft, and submitting your application. It is vital to understand the terms and conditions of your overdraft and to manage your account balance carefully to avoid unnecessary fees and interest charges. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively apply for and manage a TSB Bank overdraft.